Result is a, whatever you do, the process you are following, the byproduct is the result. So if you need to revisit, you revisit the process. Result, it's more like a learning. It tells you what went wrong, so you take the learnings out of it. You don't carry that excess baggage on your head. Oh, I lost, this happened, that happened. No, it's all irrelevant. You lost, you accept that loss, and the only way to move forward is to take the learnings out of it.
कभी कभी तो मन करता है कि सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के वापस चले जाए, लेकिन फिर पापा का चेहरा सामने आया।
उनको नौकरी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए था भाई।
पापा बस एक ट्राई मारना चाहते हैं।
तुम एक दिन जरूर बहुत बड़े आदमी बनोगे मतलब।
We need to set the expectation level right and have gratitude in life. Means हम बहुत कुछ चाहते हैं, but हमारे में वो gratitude नहीं है। कि कोई मेरे लिए अगर थोड़ी सी भी चीज कर रहा है, which is beyond what he needs to do, we need to have gratitude towards that. हम हर बार क्या होता है ना, we expect more instead of having that gratitude towards the person in front. हमें लगता है ये तो birth right है भाई, आप extra क्या दे रहे हो? Which I feel is the wrong thing. Whatever small or big, have gratitude, thank the people who are helping you out. Success teaches you to be humble in life. If you are able to control your mind, you can actually do a lot of things better in life. Because mind is the most powerful thing. We all think it's a physical, I am tired, I can't run more. It's the mind that is telling the body you can't run.
That's right.
The hard work, the discipline, the honesty. It's the mind that is much more stronger. And these are the things that you keep teaching the youngsters.
सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ है, पता है हमको। देखिए इस टूर्नामेंट से हमको इतना पता चल गया है कि इतने से नहीं होगा, हमको और मेहनत करना पड़ेगा।
So I want to ask you, is there anything that's like bothering you in life, any problems that you're facing? Like, is life really perfect?
It's just that problems are important part of life, because if they don't keep testing us, we won't really improve. So I feel if all of us need to have problems, but there are certain people where their problems are much bigger than ours. And if we are well-to-do, we should try to take care of them, try to do our best, to guide them, so that they have a life, which is a bit more peaceful and where they are not worried about everything in life, every day. So that's what my view is about problems in life.
Being honest is one of the most important things. To start off, being honest to yourself. Unless you are honest to yourself, you can't be honest to others. And what it also does is, it helps you in accepting what the shortcomings are. You may not be a great player, may not be a great human being, but if you're willing to accept the shortcomings, you can always look to improve. You can go to people, you can ask for help, and there'll be people to guide you out. Whether it's your seniors, whether it's your parents, close friends, whoever those may be. And I always felt all these things really helped me keep moving ahead in life. Throughout being honest towards the goal. What is the goal? The goal is not to, for me it was never to score so many runs for India. For me it was always, how we'll be able to win a game. Whether you are the captain or you're not the captain. What you want is, how much you have contributed for the team to win. So you have to be honest in life, you have to be honest to yourself, you have to be practical, you have to take risk in life, but at the same time, you have to be calculated. You can't just say, okay, I took a risky option at some point of time. You have to be ready for the kind of talent that's really needed to achieve what you want to achieve. But at the same time, you have to take risk in life.
How do you keep yourself so cool?
Very simple. Don't think about the result. It's a result that puts pressure on us. What if this happens? What if we don't win the game? What if we don't get selected? But again, worry about the controllables, and whatever the controllables are, we take care of it, we'll get the desired result. If we don't get the desired result, we'll improve. We'll change our plans, we'll execute better, and we'll get a chance to prove ourselves again. Thinking about the result never gives you result. Yes, you may have a target in mind, but what is more important is to take care of the small steps in life, what needs to be done, what I am supposed to do, what extra I can do, and that will help us achieve the target.
सर हम सोच रहे थे कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं।
तू चिंता न कर चाचे, बहुत पैसे लाऊंगा मैं।
जब तक तकलीफ ना हो ना लाइफ में, तब तक बड़ा नहीं बनता है।
कि शायद आपने अपनी अक्खी जिंदगी बिता दी एक झूठ को, कि अपने नसीब में यही, कि अपना नसीब में सिर्फ कचरा पट्टी है।
प्लेयर लोग को अपना पेट भरने के लिए अपना मेडल बेचना पड़ता है, पता तेरे को? और तू पैसा एक लास्ट है।
तू है कौन है?
आज कुछ नहीं हो जाएगा,
पर कल हो जाएगा।
बाकी कलाकार महान है, लेकिन तू अपना चमकीले।
We were privileged to see this living legend in action here today.
अपना सच्चाई बदलेगा मेरे सपने से मिलकर।
हम बस एक ट्राई मारना चाहते हैं, तो साल भर में कुछ नहीं हुआ तो आप जैसा चाहते हैं वैसा करेंगे।
तुमको नौकरी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए था नहीं
पापा
मैंने।
India lift the World Cup after 28